BJP held protest march to Health Minister Veena George's house in connection with the death of a woman in the building collapse at Kottayam Medical College. Now, protests by opposition parties began after a woman died and two others were injured in a building collapse at Kottayam Government Medical College. And amidst allegations of delayed rescue mission, Health Minister Veena George has blamed it on an old building. Now, Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee President Sunny Joseph criticized Health Minister Veena George and Ports Minister V.N. Vasavan over alleged lapses in the search operations following the building collapse at the medical college. Now, the opposition is asking for Veena George's resignation, and this is the latest we're getting in. Visuals on your screen showing you the protest. Workers trying to break in through the barricades. And now my colleague Varghese is joining me from the newsroom on the story. What's the latest we're getting on this story? We're seeing visuals coming in from the protest site.
Well, this is a protest that has started by the opposition leaders, especially after the building collapse that happened in Kottayam Medical College. The question being raised is that why there was a rescue operation that was in fact delayed. People say that Bindu, the person who had died because of that building collapse, could have survived and wouldn't have in fact faced this kind of a situation where she had to lose her life if they had gone ahead and ensured that there was a timely rescue operation at the place. So because of the delay is what they say that she could have passed away because there was nobody to respond to the immediate situation that had happened over there. Now, the opposition leaders, especially the Congress leader Sunny Joseph, has in fact said that the reason for this is that the government did not in fact have any sort of protocol in place, and the health minister should take the responsibility for the delay in the rescue operations. And today the BJP decided to in fact go ahead and carry on with the protest march. Now, it's not only in Thiruvananthapuram, there are protests that have been happening in many other parts of the state of Kerala, and there have been attempts to ask for the health minister's resignation as well. Bindu's funeral will be held today in the evening, and it is also being said that the BJP meanwhile has been pressing for the health minister's resignation, and the opposition Congress is also joining the protest as well. They are holding protests in other districts, and they have in fact asked the government to in fact immediately reply to this, and a proper compensation to be given to Bindu and her family. Also, there is an investigation going on with regard to the fitness certificate fitness certificate that has been issued for these buildings, and whether some of these buildings that have been built ages ago by through government funds, whether they stand the test of time as well, and whether they are fit for functioning, and also questions being raised as to who was the inspector that had given the fitness for this particular building, and whether there was regular follow-ups that was carried out as well.
All right, now the person at the center of this political storm is Veena George. Protesters have been calling for her resignation. What her response has been so far?
She had said that because the building was old, that is why the entire collapse happened, and this in fact had raised the question about since the medical college comes under the purview of the health minister, why wasn't the adequate measures taken or to declare it unfit and probably even strengthen it or demolish it and have a new building there. But as of now, because the opposition leaders have decided to go on a protest against her, they have in fact asked for a resignation, and the CPM just a year ahead of the elections in Kerala seem to be cornered by these protests and over the death of this lady.
All right, well, thank you so much for putting this story into perspective for our viewers.